What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 7 of the Haole vlog. We're at the beach today. It's beautiful out today, just like BREE. Between going to school and just trying to live on our own, it's easy to forget that we live in Hawaii. Like, it's just, we can drive 5 minutes and then get this view.
Getting ice cream. I got Fruity Pebble ice cream with chocolate chip cookies and Oreos. It's really good.
I got cookies and cream. It is delicious.
It's so good.
They also came in a waffle cone shell, so you can make like a little ice cream taco, but it's falling apart.
A waffle cone shell? Oh, crap.
I can't buy it. So Wyoming is playing Hawaii this weekend in Hawaii, and BREE's parents actually flew over here to Hawaii to come watch the football game. So we're gonna go pick them up from the airport.
My parents are coming.
We're heading to the Wyoming-Hawaii football game. We're meeting BREE's parents there. Should be pretty sick.
It should be sick.
Go Wyoming.
Show them my outfit.
Also, BREE looks
Cowgirl.
so good.
I'm rooting for the Cowboys.
Go UW. So for my birthday, BREE got me a ticket to go skydiving. So that's what we're doing today. I hope I don't die. They say that there's 2 parachutes, so I hope one of them opens up. But yeah, it should be fun.
You could be my hero before
I'm Adam, this is Johnny, going skydiving.
Cause I don't go chasing fairy tales, no. That's not how my story goes. I've been down this road before, I've seen the fall, and I won't fall for you. I've been there before. I don't wanna fall for you. So let's hide, and my thought can't lose. No, I won't fall for you. No, I won't fall for you. That's not how my story goes. Every time I've let you in, you've let me down.
Fuck yeah. Was that good?
Unreal.
One more time?
And the people who say
Yo,
that
Johnny.
it's magical, no, that's just how their story goes.
Holy shit. That was unbelievable. That was unreal. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what, like, okay. I would hands down do that again. I'd do it every day if I could. It was so much fun. I can't think of anything else to compare it to. Like, it didn't even really feel like I was falling. When I first stepped out of the plane, it did. I was like, oh shit. And then like after we kind of leveled out or whatever and we were just free falling, it didn't really feel like I was falling. It was just like there's so much wind. That was about it. But if you've never gone skydiving before, I would highly recommend it. Unreal.